people!
Kimora's Adventures. Hey, I'm Kimora, and I learned something very important yesterday. Let's take a look at yesterday's lesson.
Kimora's room was a big mess. She had toys, books, and clothes scattered everywhere. It was so hard to find anything she needed. One day, Kimora's nephew, Messiah, came to spend the night. Messiah has a special way of seeing the world because he has autism, and he doesn't use words to talk like we do. Instead, he uses his iPad to tell people what he thinks and how he feels. When it was time for bed, Messiah realized his iPad was missing. He started to feel upset and anxious, but he couldn't tell Kimora what was wrong. Kimora's mom came in and asked, "Kimora, have you seen Messiah's iPad? He needs it to communicate." Kimora looked around her messy room and felt bad. She knew how important Messiah's iPad was to him. She started to search through the piles of toys and clothes, but she couldn't find it anywhere. Kimora's mom sighed. "Kimora, your room is really messy. It's hard to find anything in here. Let's clean up and organize your things so we can find Messiah's iPad." Kimora knew her mom was right. She decided to make cleaning up into a game. She pretended she was a detective on a mission to find the missing iPad. She carefully sorted through her things, putting them away neatly as she searched. Finally, after a lot of hard work, Kimora found Messiah's iPad under a pile of stuffed animals. She gave it back to him with a big smile. Messiah hugged his iPad and then hugged Kimora, happy to have his voice back. Kimora realized that her messy room hadn't just been a problem for her, but it had also made things difficult for Messiah. She decided to keep her room organized from now on, so it would be a welcoming and comfortable space for everyone. The next day, Kimora helped Messiah organize his toys at his house too. Together, they made cleaning up into a fun game, and Messiah showed Kimora how he used his iPad to communicate. From that day on, Kimora made sure to keep her room tidy. She learned that being organized meant she could find what she needed and make her space welcoming for all her friends and family, especially her only nephew, Messiah.
Wow, I sure learned a valuable lesson yesterday. What did you learn? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along with all my adventures. Bye!